Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Sophia Class. I am your host, Sophia, and joining me today is my wonderful friend, Bob.
Hello, Sophia. Hello, everyone. It is great to be here with you all today.
Bob, how are you doing today?
I am doing very well, thank you. And you, Sophia, are you ready for a new lesson?
Yes, I am. Today we have a very exciting and practical topic. We're going to talk about restaurants, specifically how to speak English in a restaurant.
That is a fantastic topic. Eating at a restaurant is fun, but for English learners, it can be a little scary.
Exactly. Many students feel nervous. They don't know the polite words. They worry about making mistakes when ordering food.
That is true, but today we will fix that. We will guide you through the whole process.
By the end of this episode, you will learn how to get a table, how to read a menu, how to order your meal, and even how to pay the bill.
But before we start our delicious journey, we have a small request.
Yes, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. It helps us create more lessons for you.
And share it with a friend who loves food. Okay, Sophia, let's start at the very beginning. You arrive at the restaurant. You open the door and walk inside.
Okay, Bob, I am at the door of the restaurant. I see a person standing there. What do I do?
You go inside and you see that person. This person is the host or the waiter.
Ah, right. Listeners, the host or waiter is the person who works in the restaurant and helps you find a seat.
Exactly. So you smile at the host and you say hello or hi.
Hello. That is simple. But then I need a place to sit. I need a table. What do I say?
You need to tell them how many people are with you. So you say, a table for two, please.
Ah, a table for two, please, because it is me and you, two people.
Yes, but Sophia, what if you have another friend with you?
Then it is three people, so I say, a table for three, please.
Correct. And what if you are alone, just you?
Then I say, a table for one, please.
Perfect. A table for one, please. Now, the waiter will usually smile and say a phrase. He will say, follow me, please.
I know this one. Follow me means walk behind me or come with me.
That's right. So you walk behind the waiter, he takes you to your table, and then you sit down.
Okay, so now we are sitting at the table. But Bob, I am still hungry. What is the first thing we need at the table?
So, we are sitting at the table. What is the first thing we need?
We need food, but first we need the list of food prices.
Yes, that list is called the menu.
Listeners, a menu is the paper or book that shows you all the food you can buy.
Exactly. Usually the waiter brings it, but if you don't have one, you can ask politely. You say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? Okay, now I have the menu. I open it, but Bob, there are so many words.
Don't worry. A menu has different parts. The first part is usually called starters.
Starters? What are those?
Starters are small plates of food. You eat them before the big meal, like a soup or a small salad.
Ooh, I love soup. Okay, so first are starters. What is the next part?
The next part is the main course.
I know this. The main course is the biggest part of the meal. It is the big food, like a pizza or chicken or a burger.
Perfect. But Sophia, sometimes you look at the menu and you don't know what to choose. Maybe everything looks good.
Yes, that happens to me all the time. Can I ask the waiter for help?
Yes, you can. You can ask the waiter a very good question. You can say, "What do you recommend?"
Recommend. Ah, listeners, recommend means to tell someone that something is good. So I am asking the waiter, what is delicious here?
Exactly. The waiter might say, "The fish is excellent today." Or you can ask, "What is the special today?"
A special is a specific dish that the restaurant makes only for today. It is usually very fresh.
That's right. So, you look at the starters, you look at the main course, and maybe you ask for a recommendation. Now, the waiter is coming to our table with a notebook. Okay, Sophia. The waiter is standing at our table. He has a pen and paper. He smiles and asks a question.
What does he ask?
He usually asks, "Are you ready to order?"
Listeners, to order means to tell the waiter what food you want to eat.
Exactly. So if you know what you want, you say, "Yes, I am."
I am definitely ready. I want a hamburger.
Wait, Sophia. Be careful. You said, "I want."
Yes, I want a hamburger. Is that wrong?
It is not wrong grammar, but it is not very polite. In English, "I want" sounds a little strong, like a demanding child.
Oh no, I don't want to be rude. So what is the polite way?
The best phrase is, "I would like."
I would like. Okay, so I say, I would like the hamburger, please.
Perfect. That sounds very polite. There is also another common phrase. You can say, "I'll have."
I'll have is short for I will have. It's very natural.
Yes. So let's practice the whole order. First, the starter, then the main course.
Okay. Hello, waiter. To start, I would like the tomato soup, please.
Very good choice. And for your main course?
And for my main course, I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent. And would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have a soda, please.
Fantastic job, Sophia. You ordered a full meal, a starter, a main course, and a drink. And you were very polite.
Thank you, Bob. I would like, and I'll have. I will remember these.
Now the waiter writes everything down. Sometimes he repeats the order to check it. Then he goes to the kitchen. And now we wait.
Look, Sophia, the waiter is coming back. He has our food. He puts the plates on the table.
Finally, it looks delicious. But Bob, before I eat, I need the tools. I need the cutlery.
Good word. Cutlery means the tools you use to eat your food, like knives and forks.
Yes, so for my soup, I need a spoon.
Correct. And for your hamburger or meat, you usually use a knife to cut and a fork to pick up the food.
Knife to cut, fork to eat. Got it. So the waiter puts the food down. What does he usually say?
He usually smiles and says, "Enjoy your meal."
And I simply say, thank you.
But wait, Sophia. Look at your plate. Imagine there is a problem.
A problem? What happened?
You ordered a hamburger, but look, this is a pizza. The waiter made a mistake.
Oh no, I don't want pizza. What do? Do I shout?
No, never shout. First, you need to get the waiter's attention politely. You raise your hand a little bit and you say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. Okay, he is here. Now what?
You can say, "I think there is a mistake." Or you can say, "This is not what I ordered."
Mistake means something that is wrong. So I'm saying you brought the wrong food.
Exactly. Then you say, "I ordered the hamburger."
Excuse me, I think there is a mistake. I ordered the hamburger.
Perfect. The waiter will apologize and change it for you. Or imagine your soup is cold. You can say, "Could you change this, please? It is cold."
Okay, the waiter brings the correct food. Now I have my hamburger, my cutlery, and I am happy. This hamburger is great. But Bob, I feel thirsty. I finished my water.
That happens. You need to ask the waiter for more. When he walks by, you say, "Excuse me, could I have some more water, please?"
Could I have some more water, please? Okay. And what if I need salt or pepper?
It is the same structure. You say, "Could I have some salt, please?"
Okay, I ask for water. I ask for salt. Oh, oops. Bob, I dropped my spoon on the floor.
Don't pick it up and use it. It is dirty now. You need to clean one.
Dirty means not clean, so I cannot put it in my mouth.
Right. Ask the waiter, "Excuse me, I dropped my spoon. Could I have a clean one, please?"
Could I have a clean one, please? That is very useful. Okay. Wow, I am finished. I am so full. But Bob, look, I still have half of my hamburger left. I cannot eat it.
Don't worry, you don't have to throw it away. You can take it home.
Really? How do I ask for that? Do I put it in my pocket?
No, not in your pocket. You ask for a box. You say, "Can I have a to-go box, please?"
Listeners, a to-go box is a container. You put your extra food inside it to take it to your house.
Exactly. Or you can simply say, "Can I wrap this to go, please?"
Can I wrap this to go? I love that. Now I can have a hamburger for dinner too.
Great. So we finished eating, we packed the leftovers. Now there is only one thing left to do.
The sad part, paying the money.
Okay, the food is finished. We have our to-go box. Now we must pay.
Right, the money moment. How do I ask for the paper with the price?
That paper is called the bill, or in America, the check. You catch the waiter's eye and say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Can I have the bill, please? Okay, now, Bob, a question. Do I leave the money on the table or do I walk to the door?
That is a great question. It depends on the restaurant.
Really? Tell me more.
Yes, in some restaurants, you pay at the table. The waiter brings a small machine to you. You pay while sitting down.
Ah, okay. And in other restaurants?
In other places, the waiter gives you the bill and you walk to the counter.
Listeners, the counter is the desk near the door where the computer is. You pay there before you leave.
Exactly. So, imagine the waiter comes to our table. He usually asks one important question: cash or card?
I know this. Cash is paper money. Card is a credit card or bank card. I usually use a card.
Okay, so you say, "Card, please." He gives you the machine. You pay. Now, what about the extra money for the waiter, the tip?
The tip. If I pay with cash, can I tell him to keep the extra money?
Yes, that is a very cool phrase. You say, "Keep the change."
Keep the change means don't give me the coins back. Keep them as a gift.
Perfect. We paid, we tipped, now we stand up, we walk to the door, we look at the staff and say,
Thank you. Goodbye.
and that is it. We did it, Sophia. We survived the restaurant.
Yes.
We are back in the studio. That was a great meal, Sophia.
It was. But before we go, let's do a super fast review. Let's remind our listeners of the important steps.
Good idea. Step 1, you enter. What do you say?
I say, a table for two, please.
Step 2, you order. What is the polite phrase?
I say, I would like or I'll have.
Step 3, you need something extra or there's a mistake.
I say, excuse me, to call the waiter.
And step 4, you want to leave.
I ask for the bill, and I say, keep the change for the tip.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
Now, listeners, it is your turn. We have a challenge for you.
Yes. In the comments below, please tell us, what is your favorite food to order in a restaurant? Is it pizza, sushi, burgers? Write it in English.
We read every single comment. And please, if this lesson helped you, hit the subscribe button and give us a big like.
It helps us make more free lessons for you. Thank you for studying with us today.
Go find a restaurant, order some delicious food, and speak English confidently.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.